Welcome to our presentation on crop management robots. Our team, Tech Titans, designed an automated system to make farming smarter and more sustainable. We build technology for farms that want efficiency. The goal is to support both small producers and large-scale operations through automation and sustainable design. Meet the specialized robots developed by our team. Angelique Someida's leaf scan drone monitors crop health. Alexis Estrada's Rigor Rob offers precise irrigation. Francisco Higuera's auto harvester collects ripe produce. And Jonathan Garcia's BioGuard rover protects crop from pests.
This is our leaf scan drone. It is designated to detect early signs of crop stress before they become visible. The drone uses an ultrasonic sensor as a proxy for the NBI camera and a TMP36 temperature sensor to monitor heat levels in plants. Its servo motor stabilizes the camera on a gimbal, and 4 DC motors control flight. Once the field scan is complete, it transmits GPS tagged data to the irrigation pest robots so that they can respond precisely to those problem areas.
The irrigation robot is an automated crop watering system built to improve efficiency and support sustainable farming. It travels along a fixed route, stopping at intervals to measure soil moisture and water only when needed, reducing waste while keeping crops properly hydrated. The system is powered by an Arduino Uno connected to an L293D motor driver, which controls 2 DC motors for movement. A soil moisture sensor detects dryness, and a valve circuit represented by an LED simulates the watering process. Through sensor-based automation and precise motor control, the irrigation robot demonstrates how robotics can simplify irrigation and conserve valuable resources in modern agriculture.
The auto harvester identifies and collects ripe produce using a 2-meter robotic arm with soft grippers. An ultrasonic sensor detects distance, triggering the arm and servo motors to lift, grip, and release the fruit. After harvesting, the robot repositions itself to continue toward the next plant, fully automating the picking process.
The BioGuard rover is the pest control robot in our crop management swarm. It protects crops using smart, eco-friendly methods. With RGB and hyperspectral cameras, it detects harmful insects while sparing beneficial ones. For larger pests like birds, it uses a motion sensor that triggers a piezo speaker to make a loud bang, safely scaring them away without chemicals. As it navigates the field, it applies natural repellents or releases insects only when needed. BioGuard keeps crops healthy, reduces chemical use, and saves valuable time for farmers.
This slide shows how our 4 robots work together to manage the binder. The leaf scan drone flies overhead, scanning the field with NDVI and thermal sensors to locate stress, pests, and ripe crops. The Rigger Rob then moves along the irrigation rails, watering only the dry areas the drone identified. Next, the BioGuardian rover drives between the lines, applying ultrasonic pest control where it's needed. The auto harvester follows last, using its robotic arm to pick up ripe grapes. After finishing their task, all robots return to the charging station besides the farmhouse, chosen for its central location, protection from weather, and stable wireless connection. Together they form an efficient, fully automated crop management system.
Blue River Technologies See and Spray uses advanced AI but is expensive and limited to large farms. The irrigation robot achieves similar water efficiency at a much lower cost. DJI Agra's drone relies on costly cameras and software, while the leaf scan drone offers affordable hands-on crop monitoring while simple sensors. FFR Robotics Harvester is a powerful but complex and costly to maintain. The auto harvester is lightweight, adaptable, and easier to operate. Lastly, the Eco Robotics RAA depends on chemical herbicides, whereas the BioGuardian rover uses safe, eco-friendly pest control methods. Together, these robots provide a low-cost, sustainable, and accessible approach to smart farming.
Our crop management swarm is a smart farming system designed to make agriculture more efficient and sustainable. 4 robots, the leaf scan drone, Rygar Rob, and the auto harvester and the BioGuard rover work together to monitor crops, manage irrigation, harvest produce, and control pests. By automating these key tasks, the swarms reduce labor needs, conserves resources, and boost productivity, all while promoting a healthier and more sustainable farming. Please see the next slide for our list of references.